Hey everybody, this is Darren Benson with Performance Motorcoaches. Been a while since we've done a tour of the dealership. We're along a major highway. It's noisy. We will go ahead and jump in and get started. Come on in. Lots of units here. Try to keep all of the new bumper pull stuff up here. Right now we've got some units from Winnebago, we've got some Sundance, we've got some North Trail. We had more of the Sundowner lineup. Those have been selling relatively quick, so that's our last Sundowner. You can get those in a regular travel trailer or a toy hauler. We got some boats. Go ahead and jump on inside here. Got it rolling into hell season, so we tried to bring all of our boats inside, keep them out of the weather. Lots of pontoons from South Bay. Kind of all shapes and sizes inside here. Don't really have any true beginner models. Most of the units will have at least a 90 horse motor. We have some units all the way up to 400 horsepower. So pretty cool. Really, the evolution of the pontoon boats is really coming around, and all the cool families, all the cool dads want to have a pontoon boat for the summer. Air conditioned showroom. We're open Monday through Friday from 8 to 6, and then on Saturdays we're here from 10 to 3. Everything kind of piled in here. Service area here in the back. See if we can't catch a few people on the camera.
All right, I'll send you an email in a few minutes. All right.
We're doing a video, like it or not. Hey Becky. Hey Melissa.
Hi.
All right, here we go. Service area back here. We have basically 5 bays up front, and we have an additional 4 bays in the back. We've got a ton of area outside to be able to plug units in. Everything is plugged in that's on the lot, and it's pretty unique. You generally won't find a dealership that everything's plugged in. So all the lights are on. Makes it nice to be able to go in. The units, some of the featured units in the summertime will also have the air conditioner turned on as well. Kind of go through here. In today, things are a little bit of a mess. That's Doug, that's the general manager. Got a show hauler in for some service here. Nice big wash bay. Got plenty of power washers here to keep all the West Texas dirt out. We'll go back to the marine shop right now. You can kind of span back here. So all of our fifth wheels will be up front. Our toy haulers will be towards the very front, and then all of our used stuff will be here in the back. Back here is service items right here. And coming probably the next year, we've acquired 5 acres across the road here. We'll end up moving service all the way on the north side. But come back through, kind of span through the boat shop here. Full marine service, inboard, outboard, doesn't really matter. For some higher end customers, if they want their boat left inside, we offer that, so you don't have to worry about picking it up, dirty. So this particular customer right here, I know is super picky, so his boat will be inside the entire time that it's here. The more power washers, kind of span through here. I'm glad my camera person hasn't fallen down yet. Ton of product on the road, ton of product that's here, ton of product that's on the road that's coming here. Inventory changes quite frequently. Make sure you always check out our website, and don't hesitate to ever give us a call. On Friday afternoons, come by for a beer or a frozen margarita, and don't forget our expo that's coming up March 27th. So basically, we'll have food for everyone, basically a full open house. We'll have a ton of salespeople here on the lot to be able to go through, discuss everything. Everything will be plugged in. It ought to be a great time.
What prices?
And we're doing door prizes. I've been told, just been told we're doing door prizes. So make sure you guys come on out. Thanks.